Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unbagging from Amazon. So these are a couple of diamond paintings that I have purchased. I caught them on sale one night, and I think, well, we'll just get into it. So the first one I have is this one, and I think I gave, I don't know, I think it was like $3.99, $4.99 maybe, I don't remember, but it is a special shape, and it does come with the standard toolkit, which is a green boat, pink wax, a pink pen, looks like a 2 or 3 placer on it, and a few little baggies. We will open this up because it is special shaped gems. So, and I just want to let y'all know that I appreciate each and every one of you that watch my videos and leave me comments. I really and truly appreciate you. So, it comes with stars. It has some orange iridescent. And then we have those. Those are pretty. And we have some more reddish orange teardrop. And then some little round orange iridescents. And then we've got some iridescent pearls. And then we've got some tiny red. And then it looks like some yellow ABs. Some tiny orange, gold, purple, light blue, and a darker blue. Those are very, very pretty. If y'all can hear the boys in the background running around playing, they are a mess today. It's nasty, raining, and they are full of energy and no outlet. So, alright, those are the gems, crystals. And we're going to put that back in there. Alright, so this is the image. And it is just a 35 by 35 partial. Like I said, it's just a partial special shape, very sticky. It's got 14 gems. It does have a code on them, so that is great. Still yet to come across anybody who has a code or a, you know how the drills have a DMC chart and the crystals have a chart? I've yet to find a full chart for all the different colors and shapes and sizes of the crystals. So if anybody knows of one, please let me know. Or if you are compiling a list, please share. Alright, so it is very clear, very pretty. See, those orange teardrops are going to go right there. The little orange going to go there. There's where the stars go. Then we have a moon over here in both corners and then sun in both corners. And as you can see, it's a sun with the moon, or a half moon. I don't really know how well you can see because of my lighting. But like I said, it's just a nasty, dreary day today. So I've got lamps and everything on right now. So it's a partial, 35 by 35. And like I said, I think I gave maybe $3.99, $2.99. Most likely it was probably $3.99 for this one. Alright, and I'm going to put this back in here. Alright. Okay. The air out of that. Alright, so the other one that I got, I think I got this one. I think I either gave $3.99 or $4.99 for this one also. And it also comes with, ooh, well, this toolkit's a little nicer. But it has a white boat or white tray with a spout. Looks like it has a 6-placer. It has a squishy pink pen. It has 2 squares, 2 long squares of the good wax. Has some baggies. So that's not a bad little toolkit. Alright, now I'm not going to take all of these out. But as you can see, it's a round and it is poured glue. And we have reds, pinks, browns, different shades of blue, different shades of green. We have yellows, reds, white, beige, purple. We have all kinds of colors. So, this is the image that I got. And it is by, what is that, Best Act. It is a 14 by 14 inch. There is the thumbnail. They have 26 colors. They do have a DMC. And it looks like it is just numbers and letters. And there is a thumbnail and schematic on both the top left and bottom right. Very sticky. And I don't know if you can see, but it does have like a glitter effect in the canvas. Very clear. Very clear. But I thought this one was cute. And it says Merry Christmas and a bunch of stars and a big old moon. And it's got 3 gnomes. They're probably caroling. He's got a lantern. There's a house in the background. He's got a little Christmas tree. There's a Christmas tree in the background. And he has either got a gift or maybe if they're caroling, it could possibly be a songbook. Who knows? I think that it is cute. Very cute. I think it's going to go real quick. And if you had a mind to bling it, you could bling this up. You could add some ABs in the stars or some in, you know, the little spots in their hats. But they got big old red noses because I guess they're cold. Got their little mittens on. So yeah, very cute. And I will leave the links to these in my description box. And like I said, I did get these from Amazon. So yeah, what do y'all think about these? Has anyone gotten these? Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. That was my husband. If he texts me and I don't answer my text messages, he starts freaking out and starts calling me. I guess he thinks somebody's going to break in and kill me or something. Or take me. If they do, they'll bring me right back. Let me tell you, they ain't going to keep me long. So, alright, anyway, I will leave the description or the links to both of these in my description box. Like I said, they weren't very much at all. They're very cute. Nice size. And yeah, just leave me a comment. Let me know what y'all think about these. And until my next video, I hope you're all well. And I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And until my next video, I will see you later. Bye, y'all.